Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm back with a new video for y'all, and today I am making this quick and simple and healthy and tasty chicken and veggie stir fry with homemade stir fry sauce, y'all. So if it looks good to you, let's go. So y'all, I'm just showing you a quick shot of all of the ingredients I'll be using today in this chicken and veggie stir fry. Definitely check the description box because I always put all of the ingredients and measurement approximations in there. Alright y'all, so now I'm starting off with the chicken. So I'm going in with some cornstarch, about a couple tablespoons of that. Going in with some neutral cooking oil, this Shaoxing wine, which is a Chinese wine. You can use dry sherry or white wine. I went in with some white pepper, and then I just mixed it all together, y'all. Also went in with a little bit of salt. And this process is called velveting the chicken, which actually locks in the moisture and tenderizes the meat as well. So now for the homemade stir fry sauce, going in with some brown sugar, and to that I'm adding some soy sauce, that Shaoxing wine, some more of that. Going in with some chicken stock to thin it out, some Chinese black vinegar. Then I'm also going in with about a tablespoon or two of cornstarch, and that will help to thicken up the sauce and it'll make it nice and velvety. And also forgot to add in some sesame oil. So do that, stir it all up together, and then you are done. Set it to the side. And now to my wok that I have just some water boiling in with a little bit of salt, I'm just adding in the raw broccoli. It's nice and green and nice and crunchy, and we want to keep it that way. So I'm just going to cook it for a couple of minutes, no more than 5 minutes, or boil it, I should say, no more than 5 minutes. And then after that, I'm going to shock it. So I'm going to just dump it in some ice cold water, and that will lock in the bright green color, and it'll keep it nice and crunchy, y'all. So now to actually get cooking into my wok, I am just going in with about a tablespoon or two of neutral cooking oil, adding in the chicken breast, and then I'm just going to try to spread it out in a nice even layer, maximum surface coverage. I know I always say that, and that is an important step to remember in this dish specifically because we do not want that chicken to be dry. I know we have that cornstarch on there which helps to lock in the moisture and everything, but you still want to do your part and not overcook that chicken. Plus it will cook all the way through when we add the sauce in and the veggies and all of that at the end, y'all. So be patient, do not cook that chicken for too long. Alright, so now I took that out. You can clean it off if you want to. I decided to do that just for purposes of showing y'all. And to that, I'm going in with some minced garlic and ginger fresh. Going in with a little bit of scallion and some dried hot chilies that I had laying around my apartment. And then I'm just going to give that a quick fry for a minute or so, just until everything gets nice and fragrant, and until the garlic and the ginger and the spicy pepper have started to bloom a little bit and you're kind of coughing. And then after that, I'm going in with all of those veggies. Yes, red and orange pepper as well as red onion. It's nice and colorful and bright, and it's just what I had a taste for. And it just visually, it's just beautiful to look at. So y'all, I'm not going to talk about that too much. Just going in with some salt and a little bit more white pepper. You can use black pepper, but you know, I want to use white pepper in this one. And just going to stir that all together, fry it all together for a couple of minutes or so. And then after that, I'm going in with that broccoli. And then, like I said, the broccoli is still bright green, as you can see, and it still has a nice little crunch to it. And we want to keep it that way. We are not cooking this stuff for too long. So y'all, after about a minute or so, I'm going in with that chicken breast that's nice and tender and almost cooked through. And after that, I'm going in with that beautiful, luscious stir-fry sauce that we made from scratch, y'all. So good. And in a matter of seconds, you will see it start to thicken up dramatically and really give you that stir-fry sauce that clings to the broccoli and the chicken and the other veggies, y'all. Perfect over some rice. This is what we are going for, y'all. So I'm just going to let that cook in the wok for about a minute or so, just to let all the flavors and the ingredients marry together so that sauce can thicken up to my liking. And after that, y'all, we will pretty much be done. I have a couple of different shots for y'all just so y'all can appreciate how beautiful this stir-fried looks, y'all. It really looks so good. So y'all, this stir fry is done. Everything is nice and crunchy still, except the chicken, and nice and flavorful. But I had to add a little bit more crunch, and I just wanted to, you know, just throw something else on there. So I just added in a little bit of sesame seeds. I didn't mean to hype it up like I was about to add something crazy on there, y'all. Just some sesame seeds, y'all. But it really came together so perfectly. So y'all, that's pretty much all I have for y'all today in this video. Hope you really enjoyed it. I enjoyed talking to y'all about it. And yeah, you can like this video if you want to. You can subscribe to the channel, y'all, for more videos just like this one. every single week. All right, y'all. I will see y'all in the next video. Later.